Hi ma'am, hi sir, good afternoon. I am Jaisa Crisabarques Rural from the Philippines. I am 38 years old, I am married and I have two kids. They are all girls. The first one is 18 years old, is studying in university in accountancy. The second one is grade 2. She is 7 years old. So before, I was working in Saudi Arabia as a cleaner only in 6 years in two employer. They want me to clean only because they want to cook their foods. That's why I'm not really good to cook. But if you are willing to teach me, I am willing to learn, madam. And also, the second one, I live in Qatar. I work there as a nanny. I taking care of the baby since born until 3 years old. So I finish all my contract and I go back to the Philippines after pandemic, COVID-19. So when I came here, my work here is lady guard in a office of a government, BIR, Bureau of Internal Revenue. So I want to try in abroad again because my license for lady guard now is expired. So I want to try abroad again. And I can cook. I'm not really good to cook, but I'm willing to learn. I can clean your house very well, and you can trust me. I have long patience, and yeah.